Science and discovery. Why soap makes water wetter. In the bustling town of Bubbletown, our heroes, Tim the Tinkerer, Mia the Inventor, and Leo the Explorer, found themselves at the local tavern. The barkeep had a strange problem. His mugs were always sticky after washing. Determined to solve this mystery, the trio set out on an adventure to uncover why soap made water wetter. Their first stop was the town library, where they spent hours poring over ancient scrolls and forgotten tomes. Finally, Mia discovered something intriguing. Molecules? She explained that everything in the world is made up of tiny particles called atoms, which join together to form groups known as molecules. Intrigued, the trio focused on water molecules, which they learned were made up of 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to 1 oxygen atom. Tim then proposed a question. What happens when soap molecules join water molecules? The next day, Tim created a model using clay to represent a water droplet and soap molecules. He explained that when you add soap, the soap molecules surround the water droplets. These soap molecules have a hydrophilic, water-loving, head and hydrophobic, water-fearing tail. Leo then demonstrated their hypothesis by adding soap to a container of water. As the soap mixed in, they noticed that the water became more spread out, creating larger surfaces for the water droplets. The soap molecules were acting like bridges between water molecules, allowing them to join together and form bubbles. The trio returned to the tavern, where the barkeep thanked them profusely for their help. He had never seen his mug so clean and dry. Tim, Mia, and Leo felt proud of themselves for uncovering the secret of soap. As they walked home under the warm glow of the setting sun, the trio marveled at how their simple question had led to such an exciting adventure. They couldn't wait for their next science and discovery adventure in Bubbletown. That night, Tim, Mia, and Leo spent hours discussing what they had learned. They were excited to explore more mysteries of the world around them, fueled by their newfound love for science and discovery. The next morning, the trio started a science club to share their knowledge with other children in Bubbletown. They spent their days collecting leaves, rocks, and flowers, using them as examples to explain complex scientific concepts. Word quickly spread about the trio's science club, and soon they were leading groups of other children on exciting adventures to uncover the mysteries of their world. One day, the trio found themselves at the local tavern once more. The barkeep thanked them for all they had done to help him and his customers. Tim, Mia, and Leo beamed with pride as they realized that their simple question had made a real difference in Bubbletown. The trio's adventure to uncover why soap makes water wetter not only solved the barkeep's problem, but also inspired a love for science in themselves and others. They learned that asking questions, working together, and never giving up can lead to incredible discoveries.